So we've got a chicken curry here. It's chicken on the bone. I'm using legs. It is silky, silky smooth, delightful, spicy, beautiful. I really love this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started by looking at the chicken. I've got there some chicken legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. That's about 1 kg or 2.2 pound. The bone is in, the skin is on. We're gonna get some lovely spices and stuff on it, give it a little marination. So what I've got there is a large mixing bowl. The chicken is in there. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, and then I've got 2 teaspoons each, salt, pepper, garam masala powder, which is a nice kind of blend powder, chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. So we're going to get them all in. You can see I've got a bit of a glove on there because I'm going to give this a little mix. So there we go. Salt, pepper, garam masala, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, 2 tablespoons garlic ginger or ginger garlic paste, 50-50 mix of the two. Here I've got 1 cup of onion, and here I've got half a cup of oil. I'm using a corn oil here. You could use a different type of oil if you want. This is where the glove comes in. We're going to go in and give this a real lovely little mix up, and then we're going to cover it, in some shrink wrap, cling film or plastic wrap, whatever you call that. And this is going to go in the refrigerator at least an hour, but for me this is going to go in overnight. I recommend that really. Overnight, let it kind of give it a chance, to kind of do its thing in there, really sort it out, and it's going to be beautiful for when we want to cook that. So I'll see you in the morning. Unless you're lazy, I'll see you in an hour. Hello, good morning. So I've got a pan on here. You're going to need quite a large pan, like a wok or a saucepan or something. I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use anything you want. We're going to drop in 1 dried red chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and just 3 cloves in there. Just a few seconds. We're on a medium heat. We're not on a high heat. Just let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it and give it a lovely flavour. So don't skip this. And then we've got our chicken, which has been in the refrigerator overnight. So we're going to try and get this out. It's going to be maybe come out in 1 piece, maybe, I think. So medium heat. We're going to go for like 6 or 7 minutes. Don't have the heat up too high, please. I'll be flipping it over every now and then. Delicious. So just flip that over a couple of times. Really beautiful. Now really simply, we're going to add 400 ml of coconut milk. In that goes. Now we're going to get the heat on super low, like nice simmer. I'm going to get a lid on that, and I'm going to let it go for about 15 to 20 minutes. Again, I might, give it a little stir every now and then. But yeah, lid on, nice and low, beautiful, really beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off. Get this lid off here. That is absolutely fabulous. That's really good. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you might call that, in that goes. Let's hold a little bit back for the top when we serve it. Give that a mix. Check it for salt. It's going to be good for me. But yeah, you check that out. That is really smooth, delicious, juicy, and double fab. So of course that's going to be lovely, isn't it, with some rice or even with some bread, chapati, roti, something like that. Silky smooth, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.